Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you could join me today for the Christmas and New Year challenge. Today is day 4. So you may already have done the Snow Angel Wings, which is our first day. Then we've done the skates, then we've done the Yule Logs. Today it's going to be sleigh bells. So you can imagine it's all going to be about swinging arms, swinging legs, and with that cord pulled in as well. Okay, so you can always go back and look at the other 3 that were gone before you. And also we've got another 3 weeks worth of work really to get you ready over that Christmas and that New Year period, ready for the celebrations. Okay, so today you will need a mat. I'm going to be using a 5 and a 3 kilogram weight. Do have a water bottle as well. We will be working in that 10, 15, 20 of each exercise, and there's going to be 2 exercises all the way through, unless you're going to carry on with me, and there's going to be another 2 at the end. Okay, so if you've got those ready, we shall start with that warm-up, and we'll start with just a little twist through the front. So here we go. So I'm keeping that core pulled in. I'm already getting that swinging movement, side to side, abs pulled in. Lovely, good. I'm going to bring a knee up to the front. Here we go. Knee up. Bring me that rainbow over the top. Abs are pulled in. Okay, squat it for me. Squat. Give me a little lift. Just that knee up. Lovely, good. Get me that drop. Remember that sit. Really sit on your squat now. And up. Good. Are we ready to extend that into a kick? Little kick out. I'm not leaning back. I'm just getting that kick out. Good. Go another 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to stay here, nice and strong, and just give me that roll of that shoulder, nice and loose. Lovely, good. Coming up on your front leg. Make those legs work, make that core work up. Good. Let's do that on the other side. Just the other arm. 1 foot firmly planted. Weight over the front leg. Here we go. Bring it up. Get 4, 3, 2, 1. Step leg curl for me. Lovely, good. Get that lift. Get that foot close to the bottom. Now open out those arms. Open out that chest. Get a little squeeze in the shoulder blades. Core pulled in the whole time. Lovely, good. Up on your toes. And give me a roll round. Up, opening out those ankles. Coming in the other way. In. Good. Got 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step touch it for me. Swing those arms out and back. Under control though. Lovely, good. Feel that they're long, but you've got control of them. With that core pulled in the whole time. Go. 4, 3, 2. I'm going to walk to the front. Just give me that little drop. Just swinging those arms. Good. Good. 2 more. 2 and 1. And I'm going to swap over legs. Just walk it forward, walk it back for me. Walk it forward, walk it back. Lovely, good. Get me that little drop. Good. We are going to be doing 10 minutes of work. Okay, give me that squat. Squat. Push it up. Good. 2 more on that squat. Okay, now I'm going to drop it forward. Bend over the hips. Push the hips back. Coming up. And another 1. Okay, well done, lovely, good. Just give it a little kick out. We're going to start on that timer. My first one, I'm going to pick up my 5 kilograms here. And I'm going to get a swing. Now it has to be a proper swing through and up. And of course I'm using my core to help me the whole time. Remember we are doing 10 on the first one. Our timer is already on. So let's start that work. Swing it back, swing it forward. 1, 2, 3, good, 4, I have to counterbalance here, 5, through my core, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and good work, that core working hard for me the whole time. Next one, still my core, I've got lighter weights, I'm coming down in a wood chop, my knees are even, and there we go, that's 1. 2, 3, 4, get that turn up on that toe, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work, well done. Are we ready for our 15 swings? Here we go. Get ready, make it nice and strong. I go swing back and push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm really working against that momentum. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've already done 10, so here we go. 11, working our way up. 12, good. 13, 14, and 15. Go work. High aerobic. Arms and legs working for me at the same time. And I'm going to go on the same side, because the other side, coming back down, I can do the other way. So here we go. Same side as you did before on that 10. Only the time it's 15. Good. Up and turn. 2. Again, little swing up, but hold it at the top. 3. Core pulled in. 4. Turn on that foot. Squeeze that glute. 5. Get me that wood chop swing. 6. Just push those weights together so they can work as a pair. 7. Prefer to just work with one weight, you can. 8. 9. 10. My core pulled in the whole time. Belly button. 11. Good. Go, got 2 more now. 8, 2. And 1. Good work, well done. We ready for the big one? 20 of those swings. Keep my core pulled in the whole time. Okay, are we ready? Just get that little swing, going back and push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that little half squat. 5, bottom push back. 6, 7, my weight's going right back. 8, 9, this is me halfway. Good, really pull that core in, don't let those weights take you out there. They keep you central the whole time. You can hear it's aerobic as well. Here we go, 15, we've already done 15, we know we can. Good, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now we are on the other side. We are coming down off that Christmas tree. On the other side. Here we go. 15, I've got 15 here. 2, an even squat. Then up, turn, core pulled in. A little bit of tricep work up the top. Lovely, good. Now give me that turn each time. Here we go, 8. I'm halfway on this one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 more now. Up and turn, you're strong. Lovely. And 15. We've got 15 kettlebell swings. Here we go. Working our way down that tree. Core pulled in. Here we go, and back. 1, 2. Keep strong through those legs. Belly button pulled into spine. Nice zip and hollow on the whole time. Between my hips. There. Lovely, good. 8, 9, 10. I've got those 5 more to do. 11. Keep that core strong. 12. Push for the heels. 13, 14. 1 more. Whoa, good work. Working our way down that tree. Down and up. 1, 2, up, 3. So remember, I'm on this side now for my 10. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and well done. Good work. My 10 sleigh bell swings. Here we go, core pulled in. Are we ready? Here is 10, 10. And 1, 2, good work. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost there now. 8, 9, and 10, and well done. Lovely, good. One more minute of work. Just that little kicker at the end. Lovely, good. You can hear those little beeps. And we're just going to do a really quick little swing out with the legs and swinging in. And we've got 1 minute of aerobic capacity here. Okay, are we ready to go? We're going to go out and in. Lovely, good. I'm counting you down through 1 minute. 10 seconds gone. Good, here we go. 20 seconds gone. Working our way into that half minute now. Just out and in with the legs. Good. Keep that going for me. Keep it another time. Out and in. I'm coming down into my last 15. Into my last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely, good. Just give it a little shake off. Give me that little swing. Just keep it nice and loose. Well done. You've done your 10 minutes worth of exercise. Remember, you can go backwards or forwards, pick another day, add on to this. But today was the sleigh bells. If you're staying with me, we're going to carry on and do our list of exercises. Okay, this is where I get onto the floor. And we're going to lie on our backs. I'm going to take my one big weight for my capital B swings. Remember, it's 10 to start off with, exactly the same pattern as we've been doing. Okay, I'm putting that timer on for us. Here we go, 5, 3, 2, 1. Out to the side and swing it in. 1, 2. Now keep your core really pulled in, because remember, here you've twisted through the waist with your back off the floor. Both shoulders have to stay on the floor the whole time. Through that whole 10. Lovely, good. Here we go, we've got one more. That curl in using those obliques. Good work, well done. I'm coming up with that weight. I'm coming over to the front and I'm going to do a leg swing out and over. So I start here, my core pulled in, out, swing it in. 1, 2, my hips always towards the floor. 3, 4, my core really working for me. I'm not getting longer on this side. 5, it just swings over me. 6, 7, you can, if you want to, take that arm off the floor. 8, lovely, good. Out, glute squeeze, inner thigh. 9, and 10. I'm back to my capital B's. Here we go. There, and out, core really pulled in, my zip and hollow on. Here's my first one. 2, I'm going for 15 now, remember. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 5 more this time. I've still got my inner thigh gripping that weight. Good work, well done. There we go, and over and up. Good, I've got 2 more here. A 2, and a 1. I'm bringing that weight out, up. Same leg, remember, we're going to use the other leg. Next time round, I've got my hands underneath my shoulders, my knees underneath my hips. My knee comes in, goes out, squeezes over. 1. Hips always facing towards the floor. Remember, do not get longer on one side. Lovely, good. Zip and hollow on the whole time. Really make that glute work and then the inner thigh. Lovely, that's your first 5 done. Hand off if you want to. 6. 7. Really good on the core here. 8. Squeeze me that glute. Lovely. Here we go, we've got 5 more to go. Before we do the big one with the bees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And good work, well done. Are we ready for our 20? Our 20 bees. We've got that weight in between our knees. Out and back down, lovely, good. Drop it down. Squeeze it in and up. Lovely, good. Out and in. Lovely, that's me a quarter of the way. 5, 6. Shoulders on the floor the whole time. Rib cage down and in. Belly button pulled in. Lovely, good. I just have to repeat this now. That was 10, 11, 12. Do not let the legs drop out. Just bring them in towards the chest. 13. Protect your lower back. 14 by having that zip and hollow on. 15. Got my last 5 now. Here's the big number here. And squeeze it in. Lovely, good. Feeling that on the obliques. Feeling it also on the legs with that weight. The inner thigh, keeping that weight there. 1 more. And good work, well done. I am. Onto the other side. So I'm going to show this way, just so you know that long leg. I've changed legs now. I'm coming down. My knees are underneath my hips. My hands are underneath my shoulders. Lovely, good. My knee comes in, it goes out. I squeeze it across. That's 1. 2. And I'm not getting longer on this side. 3. My hip bone definitely facing towards the floor. 4. Glute, then inner thigh. 5. 6. 7. 8. I'm going for 15 now. We're coming back down that tree. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Good work. Ready for our 15. Nice and straight here. The 2 ones coming in either side. Arms out, shoulder height. Here we go. Dropping down and coming in. And down and come in. Trying to keep the shoulders on the floor each time. So think about that rib cage being pulled down and in as you do it. Good work. There, dropping it out and bringing it in for me. Yeah, lovely, good. Here's my 7th one, so about halfway on that 15. 8. 9. 10. I have 5 more to go now. Keep it strong. 1. Lovely, good. And in and up. Really feel that curl. But don't curl out as you go down. I've got 1 more. And good, there's my 15th one. Lovely, I'm staying on this side to do that second leg up and over. I'm now on 10. Near the end now, holding it onto it there. I'm going to come in, out and over. Good, that's just your minute marker. Good, lovely. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Give me that squeeze on the inner thigh. 9. You can take the other hand off if you want to, or keep it on. 10. And lovely, good. 10, almost done. 11 on that one. Okay, I've already done that. 15. Got one extra. Okay, are we ready for our last 10? This time, that weight in between the knees. Here we go. Arms are out at the side. I'm dropping down. I'm squeezing in. Lovely, good. Well done. That's it. Give me that squeeze. And out of that other side. Lovely, good. We'll do 4 more. Here we go. 4. 3. 2. And 1. And good work. Well done. Bring that weight out. Here, like the first section, your section here has another minute of exercise. And again, I'm going to do a swing with both legs going out into a plank jack. So here we go. This is your last minute of exercise. And we're going to count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's my plank jack. My bottom's low. My elbows slightly bent in. My core pulled in. Now if you want to do singles, that is fine by me as well. But if you can, do me that jump. 45 seconds left. Work that core. Swing those legs out. 40 seconds left. Feel that work over your pecs, over your chest. Elbows slightly sent back towards you. You're gone over halfway now. We're counting down that last 25 seconds. Last bit today. Good work. 15 seconds now. That's it, good. Really begin to feel it now on my core. My belly button's pulled in. My zip and hollow is on. Good work. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is our one last minute done of that little aerobic section. Okay, good work. I'm just going to take a little lunge forward, then a back into that hamstring. Okay, then up and a little lunge forward. And back. Good work, well done. Up and walk your hands back, and then when to here, I've still got my straight legs. Let your head drop, bend your knees and come up. Well done. Just give that little shake through. Remember, you can latch this onto any other day that you want. If you want to do more, you've now just done just over 22 minutes, 23 minutes. So again, really good chunk of work. Okay, if you want to get it on, just get any of those other days. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it today. I enjoyed teaching it to you, and I will see you again for tomorrow for the star. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye-bye for now.